Hi everyone, got a little project going here in the bedroom of our toy hauler that I wanted to show you. When we bought it, we thought we got two nice closets here at the head of the bed that we could hang our clothes in, give us lots of storage space. But we found out real quick what we ended up with is a lot of unusable space. You can't really hang anything in there in a hanger. The hanger's too wide, so like the shoulder of a shirt sticks out the door. When you close it, it turns sideways, and the whole bottom of it turns into a real mess with just a bunch of junk piled in it. We got to thinking, trying to figure out how we come up with better space to store our clothes. I come up with a quick idea here that I think is going to give us a lot more room. I'll show you in this one. I got it finished this morning. I took out the clothes rod and put in shelves. Now the bottom shelf, it's got the little hole in it. You can lift it right out. There's room for stuff under there that you're only going to use maybe a couple times a year. That way you're not trying to dig in there and move all your clothes out. But I think with the shelving in it, it's going to give us a lot more storage room. I thought about going with the track that you screw to the walls. Has a little clips that supports the shelves. But I was worried about when we were going down the road, the clips popping out and everything falling to the bottom of the wardrobe. So I decided this would be a little better. These shelves are captured in there good and they're not going to go anywhere. We've been living in the toy hauler now full time for 6 months. And found out going from 10 acres of ground with a 2,000 square foot house down to 200 square feet in a travel trailer and a pickup truck, you got to get pretty creative on how you use space to store your stuff. Okay, I figured I'd show you how I framed these shelves. The lighting's pretty poor inside the closet here. All I did was take some 3/4 square dowel rod and make little ledges for the shelves to sit on. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the corners of these closets are already framed with 3/4 square dowel rod. So I attached to that in 3 different corners. The back corner had no framing, so I just added a little piece of 1x2 to the wall to fur it out that 3/4 of an inch. I used face framing screws all the way around in them, and you have to remember working with this small stuff to be real careful and make sure you pre-drill all your material or the screws will split it. This way it can come back out of here easy if I need to, and the shelves just sit on top of them real nice. Okay, here's a little bit better shot, a little more well lit of the framing for the second shelf on this side. So I got the first shelf already in. Now I'm working on the framing for the second shelf. You can see where I used that 1x2 in the back to fur things out, so it matches the framing up front that's already in place. So I think this is going to help us out quite a bit here with our clothes storage and get a lot of stuff out of boxes and off the floor and have it travel ready. It makes it much quicker to hook to and take off. Please don't forget to hit the like button down bottom if you like this, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I got a bunch more modifications coming up out in the front end in the living area that should be pretty interesting, because I need to keep enough space open to fit my motorcycle inside yet. And we both work full time inside here, so we need to have a decent workstation. I'll be getting to a video on that real soon. Remember, Stay safe and have fun. Thank you very much.